Good morning, class. This is the SAQ and LAQ part of the worksheet, that is pressure in fluid and atmospheric pressure. So let's start with the SAQ and LAQ part. Before going for the discussion, I want to clear something, that is, whenever we have done that class, we have done so many things. So if something written over there, see classwork copy or something, so you turn all the notes, whatever given in PDF, so you will get the answer from there only. So first question is that in SAQ, state Pascal's law of transmission of pressure. As we know, Pascal's law is what? Pascal's law states that if pressure exerted anywhere in a confined liquid, it is transmitted equally and undiminished in all directions throughout the liquid. As I shown you, if I am having a liquid container which is closed from everywhere, now I am giving pressure from outside, so it will undiminishedly transmit throughout the container. That is Pascal's law given in the note. Next one is define mechanical advantage of a machine. Mechanical advantage of a machine. Whenever we are doing that force multiplier or hydraulic pressure, we know that mechanical advantage part. Mechanical advantage part means whenever you are using a machine, how much advantageous it is or how much efficient it is, how could we determine? We can determine by the ratio of the load with effort. Load with effort means how much effort I am giving, effort of the machine, how much effort I am giving to the machine, and how much load it can lift or how much work it can done. So mechanical advantage is the ratio of work done by load to the work done by effort to the of the machine. Means mechanical advantage is equal to load by effort. Means suppose you are giving 5 Newton force or effort on the machine, and as a turn machine is doing 100 Newton, machine can lift 100 Newton of force. So machine can give me 100 Newton of force. So what is happening? Load by effort means 100 Newton by 5 Newton means 5 to the means 20, which is much greater than 1. It is obvious that if you are using a machine, it is our main concern that the mechanical advantage should be greater than 1. Otherwise, if your machine can't give you more than your effort, what is the purpose of using machine? Clear? Now next question is that question number 3. Question number 3 is that how does atmospheric pressure changes with altitude? We have already done, so we know as we are going from the surface of the earth towards the higher altitude. Higher altitude means density of air get decreased. Now density of air is decreasing, one thing, and second one is height of the air column is also decreasing. Both the two cases happening together. So what is happening? With increasing of altitude, pressure gradually falls, and at the sea level pressure is maximum. So it will be, you need to show it by a curve. This side I had already shown, still I am telling you. This side atmospheric pressure and this side altitude. So it will looks like this. More the altitude, less the pressure. More the altitude, less the pressure. Less the altitude, more pressure. Now coming for question number 4. Question number 4 is that why mercury used as barometric liquid? In book there are many points given. As per my concern, I had given you 2 points, but better you learn all the points, because if it is written like that, give 3. So how could you give? Only 2 given. First of all, mercury is a non-sticky substance. So whenever it moves through glass, it will not stick. First advantage I had given here. Second advantage that the mercury is 13 times heavier than water, and from other liquid it is very heavy. So if it is very dense, so with increasing of pressure or decreasing of pressure, it needs very small height to mention it. Clear? So that's why mercury used, because within a compact space, within a small space, I can measure the pressure. Otherwise, instead of mercury, if I am using water, I need 1 meter or something like that space. Now coming for question number 5. 5 is what? How many types of barometers are there? As I told you that structure of all barometer not needed, only types you need to know. There are 3 types of barometer: simple barometer, 14th barometer, Android barometer. I repeat, simple barometer, 14th barometer and Android barometer. Now coming for number 6. The machine which works on the principle of force multiplier. We know Pascal's law, or hydraulic machines can work on the principle of force multiplier. So another 3 machines which works on the principle of force multiplier, or better on the principle of hydraulic machine. They are hydraulic lift, hydraulic press, hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic lift, hydraulic press, hydraulic brakes, given in book. So next one, question number 7 is, why tip of the alpine made sharp? Why tip of the alpine made sharp? So if I go through the structure of alpine, this is the topmost part of the alpine and this is the lower part. So tip of the alpine, as you can see, always made sharp compared to the upper surface. Why? Because force given here. Clear? Now we know pressure equal to force by area. If area I am decreasing, just like that, area I am decreasing, so with same force, pressure will be increased. Pressure increased means what? With a less effort, the pin can go through the surface. Clear? That's why the alpine's lower portion of the alpine always made sharp. Clear? Now going for the LAQ part. Now coming for LAQ, or long answer type question part. LAQ part. Let's go. First one. Explain the principle of hydraulic machine with diagram. Already discussed, still glimpses I am giving. You go through the notes. In PDF also it is given. Go through the notes we have done.